SmartBench is unlocking large-format CNC routing for everybody. And the PrecisionPro Plus is the latest generation. The PrecisionPro Plus introduces a world first for CNC routing. It can take care of the cut by automatically adapting the speed of the machine to suit the job. The Pro Plus listens to the spindle 50 times a second. If the load is low, your job will speed up to save you time. This allows Pro Plus to optimize jobs by speeding up where it can push harder. And if it's under too much load, the Pro Plus will immediately slow down. It will protect your cuts and your machine. With the PrecisionPro Plus, even the newest CNC user will be given the confidence to push go on their projects right out of the box. And isn't that the dream? With the PrecisionPro Plus, your workflow becomes easier and even smarter. Find out why more professionals are upgrading their workshops with SmartBench. Visit YetiTool.com.